Hi readers and writers, I'm glad that you are here to learn with me today. Today we will be doing some interactive editing.
Materials!
Grab your thinking cap, let's get started. Here are today's learning targets. I can sort words with the oo and e vowel sounds. And I can collaborate with my teacher to edit a sentence with vowel team words, words with Y endings, and high frequency words. Here we go.
Transition song.
Sorting words is lots of fun. We make a change to the word run. A different vowel changes run to ran. We look for rhymes like can and tan. Listen for words that sound the same. That's how we'll play this sorting game.
Word work.
It's time to play Sort It Out. All of today's words will have a vowel team. The vowel team will say oo or e. Let's look at this first word. Doom. What vowel sound do you hear? I hear the oo sound, and that is made by the vowel team oo working together. This next word is cheek. What vowel sound do you hear? If you said E, that's correct. The sound E in the word cheek is made by the vowel team ee. This next word is proof. What vowel sound do you hear in proof? I hear the sound oo. That is made by the letters OO working together as a team. And finally, this word is street. What vowel sound do you hear in street? I hear the sound E, and that is made by the vowels E and E working together. Thank you for helping me to sort those words. Let's sort some more. Each of these words will end with the Y. We will be listening to figure out if the Y is saying I, the long I sound, or if it is saying E. This word is fly. What vowel sound do you hear at the end? The Y is making the long I sound. That is a sly Y. Puppy. What sound is the Y making in the word puppy? It's the long E sound. This word is try. What vowel sound do you hear at the end of the word try? It's another sly Y word where the Y says I. And finally, this word is study. What vowel sound does the Y make in this word? It's that long E sound. You'll notice in this chart that when the Y makes the long E sound at the end of the word, it's with a word that has more than one syllable. Great sorting.
Writing.
It's time for our interactive editing. Let's look for capitalization errors, spelling mistakes, and incorrect punctuation in this sentence. Listen while I do my best to read the sentence to you. I see the carton will be on shortly, said the little girl. Let's get started with our editing. The author started off with a capital I. That's correct. But that word see is not spelled correctly. We learned that the vowel team EE works together to make the sound E. That's what we need in this word. The sentence says, I see the carton will be on shortly, said the little girl. Carton is a word, but that doesn't quite make sense here. Do you think this word could be cartoon? I see the cartoon will be on. That seems to make sense. If I want to change the word carton to cartoon, I will need that sound oo in the second syllable. Do you remember what vowel team says oo? It's the OO. That's right. I see the cartoon will. If we were just listening to this sentence, will would sound right. But looking at the word, I see that there is a letter missing. We need another L. That letter has twin power. Remember that if a word ends with the letters F, L, S, or Z, we double that letter when it follows a short vowel. I see the cartoon will be on shortly. Shortly? Oh, do you think the author meant to say shortly? That sounds right, and it makes sense. What letter can I put at the end of the word instead of an I so that the word says shortly? The letter Y. The Y says E at the end of a word with more than one syllable. That's better. What else do we need to edit? I see the cartoon will be on shortly, said the little girl. Let's look closely at that word little. Little sounds right, but that is one of our high frequency words. And I remember that the word has T's inside of it, not D's. I see the cartoon will be on shortly, said the little girl. Do we need to change anything else? The spelling is all correct now, but if you said that we need to add a punctuation mark, that's correct. We need a period at the end of this sentence because the author is telling us what the little girl said. Anything else? There is actually one more thing this sentence is missing. Remember that we are fixing capitalization, spelling, and punctuation. We added the period, but punctuation includes more than just the end of the sentence. That includes quotation marks. Quotation marks let the reader know what words the character is saying. In this sentence, the little girl, the character, is saying the words, I see the cartoon will be on shortly. You might have noticed a quotation mark after the word shortly. We need another quotation mark to tell us where the character's words begin. So I will put them before the word I. Now we know exactly which words she is saying. Let's read this whole sentence together now that we have finished editing all of the parts. Here we go. I see the cartoon will be on shortly, said the little girl. Great work editing.
Closing reflection.
As we end today's lesson, pause and think about this question. Why is it important to take time and go back to edit our writing? You did an amazing job editing today. In our next lesson, we will come together to celebrate and practice all of the learning from this cycle. I'll see you then.